Computers and laptops are essential in modern life. Without them, we barely can do any task. But why not add a kick to the everyday routine of using a laptop? It can be something as little as a comfy and cute mousepad. However, if it has a special design that catches our eye, it's even cooler. And you can make a good penny by selling them. Yep, laptop accessories is a bomb idea. Stay with me to learn more about one of the greatest e-commerce ideas nowadays. By the way, be sure to check out our playlists with product selections and supplier spotlight to find even more hot items and niches. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell to always be in tune with the latest e-commerce trends. You might be wondering, is it really profitable to sell laptop accessories? In fact, laptop accessories is a very distinct niche that connects lots of different audiences. According to Statista, in 2021, the computer hardware market in the United States generated a total revenue of over $48 billion. Google Trends is a clear indication of why you have a great chance of making some big bucks on selling custom laptop essentials. Let's take a look at some examples, shall we? Colorful and exciting laptop covers. Everyone can find something they like. Mousepads for extra comfort and convenience and visual pleasure. Desk mat for extra grip and cleanliness. Laptop sleeve bags for convenient transportation. Tote bag to carry whatever you need, whenever you need. If we count up all the sales numbers, Mefford Inc. made approximately over $20 million selling laptop accessories. Those are some really huge numbers on some simple products. Who could have thought that you make these kind of e-commerce ideas real and make money on selling such simple products? Well, it's not that surprising considering all the benefits these products have. They allow you to showcase your individuality, provide comfort and convenience, and prolong the lifespan of the laptop. All these benefits showcase how much potential this type of product has. Want to know something else? Not only can you sell these kinds of products, but you can sell products with your own design. With Salvia's premium product service, you have a unique opportunity to sell items with unique designs. With our help, you'll be able to start selling your products with one-of-a-kind designs that you choose with practically no competition. You can sell them under your own brand wherever you want. In your store, on a marketplace like Amazon, or even through your social media channels. We know what people are looking for right now in different niches, but nobody sells yet. This is a great opportunity not only to build a business and make money on that, but also to help people get access to products they can hardly find. Are you ready to make your e-commerce ideas real? With Salvia, it's accessible like never before. Every part of the creation process will be done for you, and what's left to do is sell the products and count the incoming profits. Book a free consultation with us and learn all things you need and want to know about this exciting opportunity. Thank you for watching this video about e-commerce ideas. Custom laptop accessories are simple yet profitable to sell online, and it's a great chance for you to make a good buck on it. Make sure to leave your feedback and questions in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye!